Hello, welcome to Invictus Motors. Just going to show underneath this Porsche 911, the 991.2 Carrera S. These are 3-litre twin turbocharged and producing a phenomenal bhp of 414 brake horsepower, 500 Newton meters of torque. And for the first time ever on a 911 Carrera S, it's able to do this, it's able to do the 0 to 62 miles per hour in under 4 seconds at 4.9 seconds. We've got it on the ramp at the moment as it stands. I love the color of the pearlescent white Carrera. But yeah, let me just take you through the condition of it. All around, it's got 4 almost brand new tires. These were replaced not too long ago. And if you're curious on identifying when your tires were manufactured, you could see these were manufactured on the 13th week of 2024. The discs and the pads here at the front, both the discs and the pads, they have about 30% life remaining. And you can also see them from the inside, just to kind of see the condition of it. They're not sort of badly pitted or scored in any way, form or shape, but just judging by the condition of the pads, if I could show these to you one more time, you should be able to see it from that little slab inside where it's making contact with your disc. Alloys are in fairly good condition. If memory serves me correctly, these were not too long ago acid stripped, powder coated, looking like absolutely brand new. And these are the Pirelli Continental tires, so N-rated. We're not finding any sort of significant damage underneath or on any of the under trays. This was slightly loose. It's all been clipped in back up properly. And there is some damage here underneath the car right there, as you can see, but that's to be expected on a low sports car. It's not very nice finding all the speed bumps in and around London. Same thing with this tire and the alloy. I think, judging by the condition, again, it shows that it's been recently acid strip powder coated. The date stamp on the tire here again is the 45th week of 2023. That's right there, these 4 digits. Again, I'm not sure if you're able to see that through that little hole over there. About 35% life left on those brake pads and on the discs too. Again, no damage. And also the mechanics gone through all the shocks and the coil springs. There's no corrosion, nothing severe whatsoever on it, and they look like they're in pretty good condition. And there's no play in any of these joints. And now onto the under trays. As I've already said, there's no damage whatsoever on the under trays. And I'll bring you to the back of the car, showing you the drive side rear wheel. Again, no damage on the coil spring, on the shocks. It's not weeping damaged. Again, no free play. All the bushes are all in good condition. These discs are, as you can see right there, they probably have a good, I think I would say they've been replaced not too long ago, 60 to 70% life remaining. The discs are not lipped severely like they are at the front. And now bringing you to the back, these are the exhaust tips. I'm just going to take you through the exhaust fixing. You could see some corrosion on the fixings, and now on the inside as well, the exhaust clamps. They will still hold together for a good 3, 4, 5 years. This is the valves that operate the switchable Porsche sports exhaust system. Again, not corroded, it's not seized. It works really well. It opens up and closes up. Again, the exhaust fixing, the clamps having its usual corrosion. Same thing there. And it's another good place to actually see the valves of the exhaust from right there. Now onto the turbos. Turbos, they look like they're in good condition. Just some surface corrosion to be expected. Now this is 7 years old, and if you actually come in from this side, You can see the condition of the turbos, again, in pretty good, decent condition. The exhaust manifold here, again, the nuts and the bolts have got some corrosion. Again, these will last a very long time. You could actually see what they look like from here. You could still do these and remove these. There's no leak whatsoever on the underneath. This is the belt. The belt was replaced on one of the previous services. We'll go over to the turbo on bank 2 again, and that is the turbo on bank 2. Good condition. When you start this from cold, there's no smoke whatsoever on the vehicle. And again, all the fixings on the turbos, they're all good. They're not sort of severely corroded or damaged in any way, form or shape. And now to the back of the vehicle. Again, you've got like a little scratch there on the underneath. There's no damage on the wheel arch liners. The alloys are again in really good nick, good condition. And this is the back of the car. Again, it's in good condition, well looked after. Overall, I'll lower it a little bit just to show you. Just to show you around the bodywork as well. I'll remove these in a minute. Again, the paintwork and the bodywork, overall it's in really good condition. I'll let Gray show you guys around, but there's sort of no damage either on the roof or on any of the paintwork all around. So thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you found this useful and informative, and see you next time. Bye bye.